Top 4 best foods that will repair your muscles fast and bring your strength back naturally. I'm about to reveal something that could seriously change the way your body recovers after workouts, long walks, heavy lifting, or even daily tiredness after age 40 or 60. And the surprising part is this: some foods can help your muscles recover faster, reduce soreness, and rebuild strength naturally, starting with your very next meal. Most people think muscle loss only happens to athletes or bodybuilders, but the truth is, muscle weakness can start slowly and silently. You may notice tired legs, slower movement, body aches, weakness climbing stairs, or feeling exhausted after simple tasks. These are signs your muscles may not be recovering properly. Here's what many people don't realize. Your muscles constantly break down and rebuild every single day. But if you don't feed them the right nutrients, recovery slows down, inflammation increases, and muscle strength starts fading over time. The good news? Certain foods can naturally help repair muscle tissue, restore energy, and support faster recovery. And no, these are not expensive supplements or fancy powders. These are simple foods you can find in almost any grocery store. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 4 best foods that help repair muscles fast, reduce soreness, and support full body strength naturally, especially if you want to stay active and strong as you get older. Stay with me because food number 1 is something many people eat the wrong way, and fixing it could make your muscles feel stronger within days. Number 1, lean beef. Most people think lean beef is only for bodybuilders or athletes trying to gain size. But the truth is, lean beef can be one of the most powerful foods for repairing tired, weak, or sore muscles naturally. Every single day, your muscles go through stress, whether it comes from exercise, heavy lifting, walking long distances, climbing stairs, or simply getting older. Tiny muscle fibers break down during these activities, and your body must rebuild them to keep your muscles strong and healthy. The problem is that many people are not getting enough high-quality protein to support that recovery process properly. That's where lean beef becomes incredibly important. Lean beef is packed with complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair damaged tissue and grow back stronger. It also provides iron, which helps carry oxygen through your blood to your muscles, giving them the energy they need to recover faster and perform better. Another major benefit of lean beef is creatine, a natural compound that supports muscle strength, power, and endurance. Creatine helps your muscles produce energy more efficiently, especially during physical activity, which can reduce fatigue and improve recovery after workouts or long days of movement. Lean beef is also rich in zinc and vitamin B12, nutrients that support muscle healing, energy production, and overall body strength. As people get older, the body naturally starts losing muscle mass, which can lead to weakness, slower movement, and reduced balance. Eating lean beef regularly may help slow down this muscle loss and support healthy muscle maintenance. Choosing healthier cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or lean ground beef gives your body the nutrients it needs without excessive, unhealthy fat, making it one of the best foods for natural muscle repair. Number 2, quinoa. Most people think quinoa is just another trendy healthy grain, but the truth is, quinoa is one of the best foods you can eat to help your muscles recover faster and stay strong. What makes quinoa different from many other plant foods is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This is extremely important because your muscles rely on amino acids to repair damaged fibers after exercise, physical work, or even normal daily movement. Every time your body goes through physical stress, your muscles use energy and experience tiny tears that need proper nutrition to heal. Without enough protein and nutrients, muscle recovery becomes slower, soreness lasts longer, and weakness can start building up over time. Quinoa helps solve that problem naturally by giving your body both high-quality protein and healthy complex carbohydrates in one simple food. The protein helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue, while the carbohydrates help restore glycogen, which is the stored energy your muscles use during activity. When glycogen levels stay low, muscles can feel tired, heavy, and weak. Quinoa helps refill those energy stores gradually, giving your body longer-lasting energy without the crash caused by sugary snacks or processed foods. Another reason quinoa is so powerful for muscle recovery is because it contains important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. Magnesium helps muscles relax properly and may reduce muscle cramps and tightness after workouts. Potassium supports healthy muscle contractions and helps maintain fluid balance inside the body, especially after sweating or physical activity. Iron helps carry oxygen to the muscles, improving endurance and supporting recovery. Quinoa is also naturally high in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Since it is easy to cook, easy to digest, and packed with muscle-supporting nutrients, quinoa can be an excellent addition to meals for anyone looking to improve strength, recovery, and overall muscle health. Naturally, number 3. Sweet potatoes. Most people see sweet potatoes as just a simple side dish, but they are actually one of the best foods for helping muscles recover faster and restoring energy naturally. After workouts, sports, heavy lifting, or even long hours of physical activity, your muscles become tired because they use up their main fuel source called glycogen. When glycogen levels drop too low, your body starts feeling weak, sore, and exhausted. This is where sweet potatoes become extremely powerful. Sweet potatoes are packed with healthy complex carbohydrates that slowly refill your muscle energy stores and help your body recover properly without causing sudden energy crashes. Unlike processed snacks or sugary foods that give quick energy for a short time, sweet potatoes provide steady fuel that keeps your muscles energized for longer periods. Another major reason sweet potatoes are great for muscle recovery is their high potassium content. Potassium is one of the most important minerals for healthy muscle function because it helps muscles contract properly and reduces the risk of painful cramps and stiffness. After sweating during exercise or physical work, your body loses potassium, and low potassium levels can leave your muscles feeling weak or tight. Sweet potatoes help replace those lost minerals naturally. They are also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help fight inflammation inside the body. Inflammation can slow down muscle repair and increase soreness after physical activity, so reducing it is important for faster recovery. Sweet potatoes also contain fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Better digestion means your muscles receive more of the vitamins and minerals they need to repair and grow stronger. Another benefit is that sweet potatoes are filling and satisfying while still being healthy and easy to prepare. Whether baked, mashed, steamed, or roasted, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting energy, support muscle repair, reduce fatigue, and help your body recover naturally after physical stress or exercise. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Most people overlook cottage cheese when thinking about muscle recovery foods, but it can actually be one of the most powerful foods for repairing muscles and supporting strength naturally. One of the biggest reasons cottage cheese is so effective is because it contains casein protein, a slow digesting protein that feeds your muscles gradually over several hours. Unlike fast digesting foods that quickly leave your system, cottage cheese continues providing amino acids to your muscles long after you eat it. This is especially important during sleep because your muscles repair and rebuild the most while your body is resting at night. When the body goes many hours without protein during sleep, muscle breakdown can increase, especially as people get older. Cottage cheese helps prevent that by giving your muscles a steady supply of nutrients overnight. Another reason cottage cheese is excellent for muscle health is its high protein content. Protein is essential for repairing tiny muscle tears caused by exercise, physical activity, or daily movement. Without enough protein, muscles recover more slowly and may become weaker over time. Cottage cheese also contains calcium and phosphorus, two important minerals that help support muscle contractions, bone strength, and physical performance. Strong bones and healthy muscles work together to improve balance, movement, and overall body strength. Cottage cheese is also rich in vitamin B12, which supports energy production and helps reduce feelings of tiredness and fatigue. Another great benefit is that cottage cheese is filling without being too heavy, making it a perfect evening snack for people trying to recover after workouts or long days of activity. Many athletes and fitness experts eat cottage cheese before bed because the slow digesting protein helps reduce soreness and improve overnight muscle recovery. It is also easy to combine with healthy foods like fruit, nuts, or seeds for extra nutrition and flavor. Whether you are trying to build strength, reduce muscle soreness, or simply stay active as you get older, cottage cheese can be a simple and affordable food that helps support muscle repair and long-lasting recovery naturally.